You are going to love the 2008 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, tires front all season, tires rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, power outlet, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.